Okay, welcome YouTube fans. Cooper's Automotive 2000 model year Chrysler Town & Country 3.8 liter. Complaint is from the customer, the oil light's flashing. I've already pre-op this surgery on this thing, and it's come, and I did a video on the PT Cruiser for the same issue. Oil light flashing, coming on intermittently. Makes you think oil pressure, which it's a possibility, but in my experience, I'll show you what I found out that cures them. So, getting focused in here. Let's get that light from blinding us. All right. Right there is a oil cylinder switch. Right by your oil filter. Has a little red tab that comes into there. And when you pull it out, you're going to notice oil down inside the connector and dripping out. And that's causing the oil pressure light. So we need to change that switch. There is a special socket for these. You don't have to use it. I think a 1-inch socket, if it's deep enough, will work. You're going to lose a little bit of oil. There's the switch now. We got a Napa oil pressure switch, OP6755, right there. You're going to want to brake lean and clean that plug really good. I don't look torque specs up on something like this. If you know your strength, just tight, recheck it when you're done, make sure it doesn't leak. It has plumber's Teflon tape on the threads. If it doesn't, put some on there. That's all you need right there. Clean it up. Clean the plug up. A lot of crud on that plug. Blow it out, dry it. Little red riding hood, little locking tab. Through it. It's locked in. So really that's all there is to that. Oil cylinder switch right there. Green little plug. I'm going to wash the outside of it up, finish cleaning. I've changed the oil on it and started up, and going to have no oil pressure light or no telltale sign dinging. That's a fix on a 2000 Chrysler Town & Country 3.8 liter oil pressure light flash.